In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get daily job notifications on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll have automatic alerts landing in your inbox every day, tailored to the roles and locations you care about most. First, sign into your Glassdoor account on the website or the mobile app. If you're on desktop, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. On mobile, tap your profile avatar. From there, select Notifications. This is where all of your alert settings live, and it's the quickest way to control what job updates you receive. Next, click the option to create a new alert. You'll see a button labeled Create Job Alert. This opens the form that defines exactly what kinds of roles Glassdoor should send you. Start by entering the job titles you're targeting, along with any essential keywords. Think about the terms employers actually use in postings. Titles like project manager or software engineer, and keywords like entry level, senior, or specific skills. Then, set your location. You can choose a city, region, or a specific area that's convenient for you. If you're looking for work from home opportunities, use remote as your location. Glassdoor treats remote like a distinct place, which helps filter out on-site roles you don't want. Once your criteria look right, set the frequency to daily. This ensures you receive a fresh batch of opportunities every day, so you never miss new listings. When you're happy with everything, click Save to activate the alert. That's it. Your daily job notifications are now turned on. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official website link and the download link for the mobile app right at the top of the description, so you can get to Glassdoor immediately and follow along. A few important tips to make these alerts work even harder for you. If you start receiving too many irrelevant jobs, refine your search with more specific keywords or narrower titles. Tightening your criteria will dramatically improve the relevance of each alert. Remember, remote is a location. Use it to filter for fully remote roles, rather than adding the word remote as a keyword. If your daily alerts stop arriving for any reason, try deleting the alert and recreating it. This simple reset often fixes delivery issues. And finally, double-check your email settings inside Glassdoor to make sure job alert notifications are enabled, so those daily updates actually reach you. Follow these steps and you'll have a steady, targeted stream of opportunities delivered every day. Thanks for watching.